how to add Wikipedia articles directly to your Teams message. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can add Wikipedia articles directly to your Microsoft Teams message without even having to leave the Teams. So let me show you how to do this. So before I start this, I want to make sure that this only works with a group chat. Like I have this meeting chat right here, so I'm simply going to go to this type a message, and then from here I'm going to click onto this actions and apps. And once I do with this, I have this option that says Wikipedia search. So simply click onto Wikipedia search and type in a search term. So I can simply type in any search term. So for example, let's say Hogwarts, and then I can simply wait for the results to begin. And here you can see I have this article on Hogwarts legacy, so I'm going to simply click onto this, and you can see that the message has been successfully pasted this particular article. And then I can also type in my own custom message and then click onto the send button to send this article to the group chat. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.